Try again. Okay, so there we go. So yes, this is number 10. So they're saying, okay, go backwards up from the graph back to the facts. So what are the real zeros? That means as opposed to imaginary zeros. So what are the places where it hits 0? So it hits 0. What are the x values, where it hits 0? Right, yeah, right here, -1, right here, +1, and right here, 5. So those would be the zeros, -1. They just want you to list them with a comma, any order, doesn't matter. So at x is -1, x is +1, and x is 5. That function hits 0, doesn't it? Those are the zeros. And it says, list the degree the polynomial can have. Oh, the least degree. I should read that carefully. The least degree the polynomial can have. Well, they're looking at turning points. How many turning points does that thing have? The one's right there. There's a TP. And there's a TP. So there's 2 turning points. So the degree must be 3 or higher, huh? Right? Because the turning points is at most 1 less. So the degree could be 10. But they're saying the lowest it could be, the least it could be. It can't. The degree can't be 2, for example, because there's 2 turning points. There's always 1 less turning points at most than the degree. So the degree couldn't be 2. There'd only be at most 1 turning point. We're looking at 2 turning points. So the degree's got to be 3 or more, doesn't it? You with me on that? So the degree's got to be 3. Whoops, I'm erasing it. The degree's got to be 3 or more. Must be. That's all they want. Good on that? Just playing kind of tricky on this one. All right, so they're saying, hey, which of those could be right? And more than one answer may be possible. That's mean. All right. So, yeah, look at that picture for a minute. So first off, what are the zeros? It hits at 0, 1, and 2. So what's going to make 0, 1, and 2? Well, this is 0, 1, and 2. That works, right? If you plug in x as 0, 1, or 2. This one's 0, 1, or 2. Well, they all do. I'll quit listing them. They all do 0, 1, or 2, so that's not helping. Didn't eliminate anything. Let's talk about the bounce pass-through, or how about the end behavior? But those are the kind of things we need to look at. In the end, this thing's going up, isn't it? So the end behavior, if you multiplied this all the way out, your front term would be what? Minus 4x to the third, because x. That'd be minus. No. It's got to be plus. The end behavior is plus. This one also. It's going to be, oh no, they're being tricky. Yeah, look at that. Look, guys, if you multiplied that one out, minus x times minus x times positive. It is positive. That's a yes. That's possible. And I'm not sure yet, but I'll say okay so far. How about that? Okay. Oh, so far so good. There might be something else that eliminates it, but that one is positive because they reverse the x. How about this one? They got 2 negative x's, so that's positive whatever. Okay. How about this one? Positive, okay. This one, positive, okay. Yeah, all the rest are okay. So A's out. We've eliminated A. After all this work, we've eliminated A. It's not A, because that would be negative and down, not positive and up. Okay, so A's out. What else? The bounce pass-through thing, huh? Let's look at that. So here it's passing through here. It's passing through here. Oh, it's passing through at all of them. So that means it's got to be odd powers on all of them, doesn't it? Odd. So which of those is... So any even powers are out. B is out. Even power, no way. D is out. Right? Even powers. Okay. We're down to C, E, and F. All right. Maybe those are the 3 answers. I can't see... Do you see anything else wrong with C, E, and F? I don't. I think they're all possible. C, E, and F fit everything. They all have the right zeros. 0, 1, and 2 works in all of them. They all have odd powers. They all have positive in behavior. Yeah? So C, E, and F, at least on mine. I'm not sure what will come up on yours. But C, E, and F are all good to go. All right, well, we finished 4.1 part 1, at least. There's part 2 we're not done.
Part 2 is 6 problems, so it took me a while to finish it.
Part 1 will be due on Tuesday.
I'm doing half until right now.
Tomorrow. All right, guys, we'll stop there. Have a good day. If you got test questions, I'd be glad to answer those.
Like